Hi everyone, I'm Mick from the Cat Bears. Today, we're going to make stick puppets and use them to put on our own theater show. We'll paint, glue, and cut, and everyone can choose whatever animal they want. Here's what you'll need for this activity. A pair of scissors, some stick glue, and liquid glue. Tape, a piece of cardboard that's easy to cut, like a cereal box. A stick, you can use any kind of stick, and colors, whatever you like. You'll also need to print out the activity pages. In this activity, we'll also learn about the Wheel of Creativity, something every maker should know that helps us work together as a team. Okay, ready, set, let's create!